here we have the Spyderco Ikuchi. This is in CPM S30V with carbon fiber handle and Spyderco's compression lock. One of the really cool things about this is that there's a hole all the way through the handle material, the blade, and the opposite handle material, so you can see all the way through it. Just kind of cool. And then there's this cool half circle rotating. It's not a flipper, but it functions like a flipper, but it doesn't mean it means it doesn't stick into your pocket like a flipper does. And it just has this cool rolling action on it. Nice and elegant. Absolutely can't say enough about this knife. We love the little wire pocket clip. Great steel, nice lightweight knife, and it doesn't take up a whole lot of room in your pocket because it is very slender. Take a look at the website for the current pricing and all the sizing information. Thank you very much.